Hi, I'm Scott, and this is Dad It Yourself. Hi there, and welcome to the channel. Hey, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. I'd really appreciate your support on this. It really helps me out. Okay, so today's video is all about Ryobi lights. And the first light we're going to talk to you about today is the P705 standard flashlight. So this is a multi-function design. It's capable of mounting to a 2x4. Got one right here. So you could snap this on wherever you're working, like that. And the end rotates. So if you're on a stud like that, you could move it to where you're going, or like that, or even straight up in the air, like that. This has 130 lumens of light output, now over 35 hours of runtime with the 4AH battery. If you use the 6 or the 9, probably even longer. But I'm thinking if you had the 9 on this, it would look like your grandfather's old lantern battery. Hey, this light is the P727 18 volt workbench light. This is pretty awesome. This is my favorite light. I love this one. As you can see, two sides, one side or the other side, 270 degrees of motion, 9 hours of runtime with the 4AH battery, and over 950 lumens. The great thing about this light is it's LED, so it doesn't get hot like a halogen light or an incandescent. This is, like I said, my favorite light of all the ones I own. This one retails for $49.97 at the Home Depot. Hey, this is a Ryobi 787 portable workshop light. Runs on the standard 18 volt battery, has two settings. 1 amp USB charger on the side. This thing can run for 48 hours straight on a 4 amp battery. Reminds me of the old Coleman lights that we used to go camping with as kids. And it retails for $29.97 at the Home Depot. So this is the P716 Xenon Spotlight. You may have seen it earlier. 2800 lumens and runtime over 90 minutes with a 4AH battery. This light unfortunately has been discontinued and replaced with the P717 LED version that retails for $54.97, but I'm still getting a lot of work out of this one. So this probably doesn't look like a flashlight to you, but it's the base station for the P785 string light set from Ryobi as well. As you can see, there's a cord plugged into it because it's hybrid and it runs on the 18 volt. These are on, these are medium, and that's off. So this is 1500 lumens of light output. You can hang or hard mount these lights, and it can also be bought in the combo kit with the P705 and the P17 Spotlight for about 119 bucks. This retails for $69. So now it's time for some unboxing. This is the newest addition to my collection, the P721. So 2400 lumens, sits on a table, or just like the flashlight, it's got a 2x4 mount on it. It has 18 volt technology. Let's see how you turn that on. Oh, there it is. Ooh, that's nice and bright. And it's also hybrid. So you can plug it into the wall. Nice hook right there. And it's LED, unlike some of those old halogen lights we used to have in the shops that could set fires and burn you. So this one was $69 at Home Depot. So this is all the lights I have in the shop, but Ryobi actually makes a bunch more. And they are the P704 incandescent, which is the older version of this one. They don't make it anymore, but you can still see it in some of the combo kits, especially the ones you get from Direct Tools. The P780, which is actually a newer version of this light right here. Currently not available at Home Depot. Ryobi has it on their website, and I'm not sure when it's going to come to the United States or even be available. They also have the P784K light, which has an integrated USB port also. Comes in a single and a dual pack. The P790 hybrid project light, very similar to this one right here, but with only one tower. There's a picture of it right there. And it runs for about $39.98 at Home Depot. And then the P795 LED color range work light, which is a newer version of even this light, and that retails for $69.98 at Home Depot. So as many of you know, Ryobi primarily sells exclusively at the Home Depot. I'll have product links down below with all the lights I've talked about today. And you can also find great deals on Ryobi's at Direct Tools, eBay, Amazon, and if you have a little time, you can search on Craigslist, OfferUp, and even the Facebook Marketplace. Hey, so good luck on building your Ryobi collection. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the videos I've posted, and click the bell icon to notifications when I post new videos. There are videos over here you may be interested right now. Subscribe button's right down there. Thanks for watching, Dad It Yourself.